In this video, I will show you how to install vinyl flooring in a bathroom. So with installing vinyl flooring, you need to put down some kind of underlayment. It has to go on top of the flooring, the original flooring, so that we have like a subflooring. If you have any issues, it doesn't go down to the other subflooring that you have. So first thing you gotta do is measure your space to install some kind of subflooring to then put vinyl on top. So we got 48 sheets and 70 inches. I personally do not like using particle board for the whole point that it's not really a good underlayment for water, especially in the bathroom, because then it will warp. So we're going to actually use a plywood, and we're going to mark the lines where we need to cut it and put it into the bathroom. So it's very nice that the bathroom actually is 48 inches wide, so we did not have to go lengthwise cut it, but we still need to do one cut, which is going to be at 70 inches. So we're going to measure 70 inches. And if you actually have one of these T-bars, usually used for sheetrock, this is fine because you only need to mark one time. Once you got the line marked, just cut it. The toilet, so it is 12 by 18 and a half, is the center of the toilet hole. Once your underlayment is pre-cut for all the holes and little designs in the bathroom, now you gotta install it. And one thing you gotta remember is if you got plumbing on one side of the wall, it's better to start from that one going in first to the bottom and then putting it towards where there is no plumbing, because the plumbing faucets that are sticking out will get into the way. Now we'll be using the nail gun to fasten down the underlayment. There's a section where the floors do not meet, and I didn't want to cut it back. So what we could do is they sell this Henry's bottle, and it's a floor patcher, so you could use that to fill in the gaps. So it's all filled in. Again, it's all sandable, so I'm not really worried as long as there's the connection between the bedroom flooring to the bathroom flooring. So now we just gotta wait for it to dry, and once it dries, we will continue. So after we patched this little section here and it's dried, it's been a couple of days. I actually didn't have time to come back here, but once it's dry, it's ready to be installed with linoleum. After you got the linoleum set in, now you start cutting off the corners, and you gotta make sure it's nice and tight so it gets covered by a trim. So after you get all them corners cut, you get ready to put down some linoleum glue to glue it down. You actually don't need a big trowel. This one is a 1/16, the little teeth on the end. It's a 1/16 gap, so this linoleum takes a little bit of glue. You don't need a lot. But once you're ready to glue, what you do is you pull one side up, and what we do is we go about halfway and do one side, and then we'll do the other side. Next step you gotta do is kind of even the glue out and underneath the linoleum. And what we use is just a roller. It's made especially to roll the glue in and out. Using this tool, what you do is you not only get the linoleum nice and flat, but you get all the air bubbles out of underneath there. So once there's no air bubbles, the glue will set down evenly and it will look more like a flat surface. If you skip this step while putting down glue, what will happen is you'll have bumps in your linoleum with air bubbles. So make sure you do this thoroughly throughout, and what I like to do is I just do it one time and kind of wait a little bit and do it one more time. So that's about it. That's how you install linoleum. So there you guys have it. This is how the vinyl flooring goes down into the bathroom. Thank you for watching the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you on more how to do things in your home remodel.